do not use Google Scholar when you insert bibliography, because it is inserted in a short version. Instead, use reference management system to obtain fully the bibliography. Let's practice this together. If I go to Google Scholar and then find any studies here, let's take the study and then take citation from here. Take for instance ABA style, copy it, and then go directly to paste it somehow here. So you see it in that way. This is cited from Google directly, Google Scholar. But if we use reference management system like Zotero for instance, if I take it from Zotero, I will go from edit, like copy bibliography, and then go back here and cite it or insert the bibliography. So you see it's inserted with the full version of reference, including the DOI org website where you can locate directly the reference. So my recommendation for you, don't use citation from Google Scholar. Use Google Scholar only to find your papers, and additionally use reference management system like Zotero to insert fully the bibliography in a correct and the full version.